Hi, I'm Sam from Interface. We're Bitrix24 Gold Partners. In today's Bitrix24 Quick Win, I'm going to show you how you can set and control access permissions within the inventory management module in Bitrix24. So we can control who can edit the selling price of products within the CRM. Okay, let's jump into our Bitrix24 system. And first of all, let's just go into the deals page and let's just see where we can access the product catalog from inside the deal. So here we're working on this watch deal. So as a user, we can go into the product catalog and we can then select the product here from the catalog, and that then feeds it into the deal. Now, what we could do is, if we have the correct permissions here, we could customize here the selling price. So if I wanted to amend that price, I'm able to do that right now. But of course, what you may want to do if you have fixed pricing, you want to restrict the end user from changing the selling price there of the product. And we can do that within the inventory module of Bitrix24. So if we come here into our inventory management area, if we go into settings and then into access permissions, as you can see here, we can set up different roles within the inventory permissions. So let's say here, I'm going to create a new role, and let's just give this role a title first of all. So this is going to be the sales rep role. And so we can create this role in the system, and we can then configure the permissions across different areas of the inventory and products. Specifically in this example though, what we want to do is we want to control who is able to edit the selling price of a product. So here in the product catalog, we can go into the edit selling price, and essentially you can turn on and turn off that permission. So here we've turned that off. So anyone who is now assigned the sales rep role will not be allowed to edit the selling price of the product. So then in here, you can search for the user based on departments, user group structures, etc. Or you can simply free text and search in the system. So I'm going to assign this role to Andrew Naylor and save that in the system. And that permission control has now been set. So we can add that to any users who we then assign the role to, and that's going to limit them from being able to edit the selling price of the product. And of course, you could then customize the permissions across all of these different pieces of functionality within the access permissions in the inventory module.